Hey, hello everyone. My name is Leo. I'm from the USA. I'm really happy you're here today.
Hi. Hello. I'm Lily. I'm also from the USA. Thanks for watching. I hope you're doing well today.
So, Lily, how are you?
I'm good. I'm really good today. A little cold, but good. How about you, Leo?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. People say, "How are you?" all the time, but sometimes they don't really listen.
That's so true. Hi, how are you? Is very common in English. We say it every day.
Yes, at the store, at school, at work, even to strangers.
Exactly. And today, we want to help you learn simple English greetings. Very easy, very natural.
Let's start simple. When you see someone, you can say, "Hello."
Or hi. Hi is very friendly. I use hi a lot.
Me too. So you say hi, then you ask, "How are you?"
And the other person can say, I'm good. I'm fine. Or I'm okay.
Most people say, "I'm good," even if they're tired.
Yes, even if they didn't sleep.
So, Lily, let's do a real example. I'll meet you at the park. It's winter. It's cold.
Okay.
Hi, Lily. How are you today?
Hi, Leo. I'm good, thanks. It's a bit cold today.
Yeah, it is. But the lights look nice, and the snow is beautiful.
Yes, I love winter lights. They make me feel happy.
See? Very simple English, but very real.
You don't need big words. You just need clear words.
Sometimes people also say, "How's it going?"
Or, how's your day?
These mean the same thing as "How are you?"
And you can answer like this. It's going well. Or, pretty good.
Pretty good is very common in the USA.
Yes, I say that a lot, especially in the morning.
Same here. In the morning, I say, "Pretty good, just waking up."
Coffee helps.
Always. So, remember, when someone asks, "How are you?" you don't need a long answer.
Short is okay. Simple is perfect.
And always smile. Your voice sounds nicer when you smile.
That's a great tip.
Before we go, let's do one more greeting together.
Okay, I'll start.
Hi, Lily. How are you today?
Hi, Leo. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking.
That's it. That's real English.
Very easy, very natural.
Keep practicing every day. Say hello, ask, how are you?
English starts with small steps.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you next time.
Bye.